And they're $3.99.
Yeah, but $3.99 well.
You have these backpacks with these patches. It looks nice, but it's like it's probably like for an elementary school kid because it's too small. Or you could wear it like if you just go out.
So somebody's making fun of elementary school people now.
This is a nice dress.
That's for pregnant women.
Oh, it is?
Yes, it is.
But all of these are?
I know it's a bigger size. Oh.
People wear oversized clothes.
Huh?
People wear oversized clothes.
Oh, I mean, it's up to you. But these ones are for women. Bigger size or pregnant. Or which one is it for school? Straight? Oh, they have more stuff. So anything.
At least we know now.
Yeah?
At least we know now.
You can explain the last time we came, we only see one section.
Last time when we came here, we only went over there where they had the books and we had one aisle. But now here, they have a whole section just for school supplies.
Yeah.
Ooh, 20 euros for backpacks.
At least look at them.
Yeah, I'm looking at the backpacks. So these all books. Would you get me a backpack like this?
Huh?
Would you get me a backpack like a roller?
It's up to you. Would you like to go to middle school with a rolling backpack? They have nice ones.
I like this backpack.
This one?
Yeah. It says Benetton since 1970.
Yeah, it's nice.
You have these graphing paper books. It's like it's hard cover. And they have different colors like pink, green, blue. I've never seen books with graph paper before. You usually just buy your own. So for these highlighters, you have 8+2 gratis. That means free. So that means they have 8 highlighters and only 2 of them. And they have 2 inside the pack that are free.
2 more.
Yeah, 2 more. And it's €3.99. But then you have these ones. That's 4+2 gratis. And it's only $2.99. So I'm gonna take these.
Now you have to remember it's in euro. So and the euro is stronger than the dollar.
You have these color pencils because I'm gonna be taking art, and they look. Wait, are these color pencils or markers? Oh, ooh, these are marker pens with a point on it, and they have all these different colors. It already comes in a case, so you don't have to buy one. You have these ones. It's like in a light bulb. These remind me of the ones that I saw at Walmart, but they had paper clips, and it was a magnet, so it's stuck inside. So these are €9.90 and these are $12.90. So, but you have these ones that are $8.90.
Yeah,
and
but
these
are you
ones,
gonna need them?
I mean, yeah, I don't have markers or pens. I don't. What?
Thin one? Why would you want?
So that's the next thing that they have. Maybe you have more pens and markers. papers. Yeah, these are highlighters. So we already got the highlighters. I wonder what these are. It's just regular highlighters, but just the shape is different. And they're $2.99.
Looks like paint.
Yeah, and they're €2.99. It's the same price as the other highlighters. Look at these. It's like a giant pen with
You have a
pens
pen like that?
inside. Yeah, I do.
Oh yes. Look at the pen inside. What do they have inside?
You have a highlighter, pens, another gold pen, and I think it's like.
Oh, is
tape.
that the whitener? You know,
yeah,
whitener. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
Well, how much is that?
I don't know. They don't have like a group.
Looks
with
like it
them.
was just misplaced. Okay. So just keep it. If you see it somewhere, we check the price.
Let's go.
But this is cool.
Oh, which? Multicolor crystal. Oh, these ones with the many colors are €4. Wait. These are original.
What about these ones?
Yeah, those look nice.
How do they call them?
Blue.
Multicolor fluo inks.
Mm-hmm. So you're taking these ones.
Hey.
It's always funny how you have to get school supplies each year. But some people, when I saw in videos, they say they only like school because they get to buy new school supplies. Never give up. And just more graphic paper.
Oh, look at these ones.
We all have different colors.
Okay.
Look at all these pencil pouches. Are these shoes? Oh,
Shoes.
it's a pencil
Oh,
pouch that looks like a shoe.
that's original.
Huh. It has the logo on it.
Was that like a soccer shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in Europe. They love soccer here. What about that one though? That's long. We're gonna double check. I don't know because it's I know it's for geometry. Okay. Yeah. No, yeah. So we're gonna check. And so what, algebra?
Yeah,
Oh,
algebra.
yeah, but that's extra, right? Algebra. What else are you gonna do?
I mean, algebra's extra.
I thought it was like an extra class.
No.
No?
Because since I'm not doing regular 7th grade math, they just put me in algebra.
Oh, okay. Okay. So I don't think you're gonna need that. We might just wait. Okay, what about here? So you done here? You have glue, scissors.
Do I need tape?
Huh?
Do I need
Don't we
tape?
have tape?
We lose tape.
Were you even using the tape at school?
I use the tape the teachers have. I've always asked the teachers to tape. So we have these pencils, but I don't think I need them because I have so many in my room. I've already accumulated so much, so I'm just gonna put these back.
Yeah, you have to look for them.
We have rulers, but I already have some.
But the ruler?
Yeah, I mean not rulers, erasers. Yeah, erasers.
Oh, eraser. Yeah, you have enough.
They have all these rulers and things
Wait,
here.
this is centimeter?
Yeah, since they use the metric systems.
Good. No inches.
Look, this one has inches.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There we go. They have different colors.
Yeah.
They have pink, blue.
Yeah, they get blue.
Okay. What are these?
Or erasers. I mean, not erasers.
Oh, pencil sharpener?
Yeah, it's like you sharpen them in like
What?
the eyes.
Oh. And this one too?
Yeah, with the teeth.
Okay. So, let's keep going.
These pastel colors look nice.
Yeah.
You know, to organize my papers.
You're gonna organize your paper since when?
Since I saw some YouTube videos about it.
Yeah.
So after searching for notebooks that had lined paper, I found these ones.
Oh, finally.
Oxford ones.
They have a whole section of graphic paper.
And it has them in different colors like blue, green, pink, red. So I know you said I could get one for algebra. So this is a blue one for algebra. Wait, how much? Now
So the 260 euros, what is that, the graphic one?
260.
Yeah, 260 euro there.
Oh yeah. And I think I'm gonna use a binder for creative thinking. Is drama included in creative thinking?
I think humanities is with creative thinking.
Yeah, those are together. But I'm doing computer apps too.
Computer lab?
Computer apps.
Oh, they have a computer apps class?
Yeah. So I'm gonna use two binders for that. So this is like a binder thing with rainbow colors.
Oh, it's here on the other side.
That's files with the rainbow colors.
Oh, okay. Maybe when you get your report card, you can put them there.
Yeah.
You know how to say the month in Spanish, Andrea?
Yeah.
How do you say January? Okay, March. Oh, sorry. How you say March?
It's in my phone.
Okay, simple one. July.
Julio.
Here we go.
Yeah. And plus they're in order, so you already know which one.
January is enero.
Yeah. Fecha. What is this?
Fecha is a date. Fecha de exámenes, exam,
Oh.
the date for the
I
exam.
like her backpack.
What?
The Kanken one. Martes, yeah, that's how you say it. Luna.
Martes.
Oh, this is a date.
That's Tuesday.
Yeah,
Oh, febrero.
yeah. Sabado.
What is sábado?
Saturday.
So you want to take that one or?
So let's look at the other ones.
It was easier.
But this one is cheap.
Oh, cheaper. Good.
Hoy es un gran día.
You understand that? Hoy,
Today
yes.
is a big day.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, these ones are easier.
Okay. Here we go. Done. Let's go.
Okay, we have a printer.
You think you're gonna need this?
Oh,
Last year, did you lose any paper or
yeah,
something
because
like
it
that?
kept ripping in the binders.
Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never thought about that. Okay. So when you get mechanical pencils and you want to buy lead, make sure you get the same size Because next thing you know, if you get like something too small or too big, it's not gonna fit, or it's gonna like start falling out while you're trying to write something. So you should pay attention to that.
So which one are you taking?
Oh, well, you have these ones that are the same price.
Yeah, they are the same. I mean, it's the same price.
I'll just take this one. I'll take the lead too.
Yeah, so if you run out.
This is the first time I've ever gotten mechanical pencils.
Yeah, I don't know why you're so obsessed with those.
It's like, it's nice.
Yeah, and I remember I always said no.
Good.
Because to me they keep breaking.
Not when I write with them.
Yeah, the way you write, Andrea, you're gonna break them all the time.
You want to get something for Gigi?
No, he's not here, so. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, okay.
They have Teen Wolf on DVD.
You watched it the whole summer, almost.
Yeah, but I'm not finished with it. I have a few seasons left. I have a whole collection of these books, but then he just kept coming out with more and more books. So it's hard to
So
keep
you
up.
say it in Spanish?
Diario de Grey. Oh, this one is
okay.
Buscando.
Buscando.
Oh, I have this one, but in the US they have a smaller one, but here they have a bigger one.
Oh yeah.
They have that one black too.
Are you gonna find it? That's the biggest size? That's nice.
Yeah.
What about that one?
I'm still looking for shoes for me to wear on the first day. And 36.
36? I don't know if we're gonna find your size here, Andrea.
Probably in the women's section.
The women's section? Speak up, Andrea, I'm here.
Yeah, shoes over here. Ooh, no. And they're cheap. These are like Nikes, but with a different sign.
Yeah, but who cares?
These are 29. Oh, these are 38. And then they're 29. But I like
these ones.
Yeah, those are cute. Going with the trend. I like these ones. And they're cheap. They're cheap. Oh, size 40. Yeah, you don't like them?
What are you doing?
Look at to bring our grocery bags. So here in Europe, you have to pay for them. They don't just give it to you for free like they do in the US. So we had to buy a bag.